So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng account location sa ating Roblox app. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para makapagpalit tayo ng account location sa ating Roblox, unang-una is i-open lang natin yung ating Roblox app. And then mula dito guys sa homepage, itap lang natin yung more na nandito sa may lower right corner ng screen or yung 3 horizontal dots na nandito sa side. So tap lang natin yung more guys. And mula dito sa more, i-scroll up naman natin. Then hanapin nyo lang dito yung settings and then itap. Then pagka-tap dito sa settings, itap nyo naman dito ay yung account info or account information. So dito naman guys sa account information, i-scroll up lang ulit natin. And then hanapin nyo na dito yung account location. So ito yung account location, i-tap lang natin para mapalitan. So naka-default siya as Philippines since ito yung location. So pwede natin siyang palitan sa location na gusto natin. So for example is dito na lang sa Palestine. So tap natin. And then after nyan may magpa-pop up na option. So sa set location lang natin siya, itatap natin yung set location. And kung makita nyo guys, palitan na siya from Philippines to Palestine. So ganun lang kasimple guys kung paano nga ba magpalit ng account location sa Roblox. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new update. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.